So, hello guys, it's October 31, 2025. I'm here at Fred's Hypermart Bantayan branch. So, thank you that I joined the photo contest of Kremsa. So, I'm waiting for the result of my photo contest of Kremsa. So, thank you that I joined this photo contest for the month of October 1 to 31, 2025. So hello guys. So thank you that for your likes and share for my photo contest on uh, Queen of Brains. So by Crimson. So thank you. So also okay, uh, for the my Nescafe photo contest. So I'm waiting also if I win the photo contest of Nescafe and Crimson. Um, 35 years Prince. So Crimson, Queen of Prince, October 31, 2025. Crimson, Queens of Prince, October 1 to 31, 2025. So Cream Silk. Okay, thank you. So, Cream Silk. So, padaog ako sa akong photo contest ha. So, kay last day na baya karon October 31, 2025. So, thank you guys. So, see you on my November photo contest. So, thank you, Prince Hypermart Bantayan Branch. Okay, Prince Hypermart Bantayan. So, thank you, Crimson photo contest and Nescafe photo contest. So, thank you, friends Hypermart Bantayan. Nakabisita ko diri kay Prama sa para sa akong Crimson photo contest ug sa Nescafe. So, mga motor guba na gayud ako.